Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on Sherri's Divine Styles. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Sherri. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you won't miss out on any uploads. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get to the video. Okay, so this is the container that I keep my fall decor in. If you remember from my Clean With Me Garage Edition, I left this container on the floor because I was going to put this decor up, so it wasn't no need for me to put the container up. But all of this is my old fall decor. As you can see, it's a mixture of Halloween and fall. Really don't have that much fall decor. So that's my old fall decor and my new fall decor, which you guys should have already seen. I don't know who put this on a table, but I moved it on out the way. This was the fall decor I just did. DIY, Dollar Tree, high-end fall decor. If you haven't seen it yet, I would definitely link it up above in a card. So this video will be like a vlog kind of video. Decorate with me, clean with me, fall edition. So just come along with me as I clean and decorate for fall. And do you like my shirt? It says I Shih Tzu not. I thought it was funny. Come with me as I put out my fall decor and also clean up. I'm going to start in the dining room, but the first thing I did was take all of my fall decor out of the container, and anything that needed to be washed, I went on ahead and washed it. I took out of the new fall decor, put it in another room, and for the dining room, I just wiped everything down, including the windows. This was the room where I did the DIY fall decor. So this room was very messy and had debris from the spray paint all over the place. I only decorated the lower portion of my house, and y'all, I was struggling to figure out what to put on this table. I love fall, but I wouldn't say that it's my favorite season, but I do appreciate fall. I appreciate the cool weather. I appreciate football and the fall activities. You guys, I'm tired. I'm so tired. We only did 2 rooms. That was the front room and the half bathroom. Well, kind of 3-ish. Front room, half bathroom, and the foyer entryway. The little small foyer entryway to my front door. And that's where I'm going to stop. It is 10:07 and I'm just, I'm tired. I'm tired. So this is where I'm going to stop. I'm going to pick up tomorrow. We're going to do the living room and the kitchen. So I'll see you until then. Hi guys, we are starting really late, but I have to get dinner done first. If I get that done, then we'll get into the decor for the kitchen, the living room, and the front office. I don't know if I mentioned the front office last night. I have 3 rooms to do. Guys, so this is the final outcome, and this is where I decided to put the 3-tier pumpkins along with the metallic simple pumpkins and the pumpkins with the glitter and the white on them. I was going to use the berries and the orange glitter pumpkins for the wreaths. I'm sorry, the wreath, but I decided to put it in here. And the pine cones I just got from my local park. So the pine cones were free. I also used the leaves as table mats. Let's go in the kitchen. For this corner, I decided to keep it simple. This pumpkin and this towel I had last year. This sign, I don't remember where I got that sign, but it says start each day with a grateful heart. And this candle I got from Walmart. I had the 3 signs in this section, but I decided to keep this simple with a 1 pumpkin. So on to the living room. Hopefully the lighting is good. I put up these 3 pillows that I had last year. The Give Thanks with a grateful heart. I think I got that at Walmart. I'm not really sure where I got that pillow from. On to the fireplace. I decided to put the 2 velvet pumpkins up here. Onto this shelf. This is where I put the 3 signs at. How I had it previously, you really couldn't read the signs. And for up here, I put my daughter's pumpkin up here. She did this when she was in pre-K. It's missing the nose, but we have to keep it. Candle, it's a white pumpkin smell. Don't remember where I got that candle from. I put up this happy fall towel. Put up this candle. Just kept it simple in here as well. Onto our foyer. Put up this thankful, grateful, blessed, along with the metallic pumpkins with the beads on them, the glittery berries, and some pine cones. Got those from the park. And this candle that I had last year. Add some color, a different color over here other than gray, white, and glitter. And then up above is the wreath. Oh. On to the office. So I just put up this pumpkin over here on this shelf. Here's the other pumpkin. I think I got that pumpkin from Home Goods a couple of years ago. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that your notification bells are turned on. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.